Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Megh and today I'm going to be swatching and reviewing for you guys the Gush Beauty Play Paint Airy Fluid Lipstick. So let's go.
Down now I'm at a disadvantage, but I think that it's worth it. I put my headphones on, I play my favorite song, I go to sleep and try again. Mama used to try and tell me no man is an island, but I think I feel like drifting away. Mama used to say tomorrow never comes, so make the most, but I think I am done with today.
So this first shade that I have here is called My Own Muse, and this is a coral shade, like obviously a warm coral shade. You can see it does wash me out. You cannot really catch it on the camera. You cannot really catch the contrast on the camera right now. You will obviously require like a lip liner if you want to wear this kind of shade. But I do think it is going to suit like fair to fair medium sort of skin tones, but not really the dusky skin tones. So moving on to the next one. This next shade is called The Big Picture, and this is like a really nice peach color. On its own it is washing me out kind of, so it would not like suit dusky skin tones on its own. I feel obviously it's going to suit like fair to medium sort of skin tones, but dusky complexions will need like a lip liner with this one. I would prefer this on my cheeks, I think. So let me just dot it and see how it looks on my cheeks. So it does look really nice, really natural, like on my cheeks. As you can see, this color looks really pretty on my cheeks. I love it on my cheeks rather than on my lips. Now moving on to the next one. This next shade is called Masterpiece, and this shade I love because this is like such a like a neutral pink, like a daily wear pink, an office wear pink. Like it's really pretty. It is going to look good on all skin tones, but if you are a bit of a duskier complexion than me, if you are like a shade or two darker than me, obviously I feel like you would need like a lip liner with this lipstick. But otherwise this lipstick, I'm telling you, it looks like really stunning. The camera is not doing justice as to how stunning this one looks. It looks really pretty, you guys, like mark my words, really pretty. So yeah, this shade was called Masterpiece. Next up, this shade is called Make a Splash, and this is such a pretty sort of like a deep pink shade, universally flattering shade. Okay, like it is obviously going to look good on all skin tones. You don't need a lip liner with this shade. It looks really pretty, you guys. Like look at that shade. It looks amazing. On camera it looks a bit bright, like sort of like a fuchsia, but in real time it looks more like a deep pink color. So yeah, this was the shade Make a Splash. So this last shade is called Paint the Town, and this is like a rich warm rusty red sort of shade. This is not like a true red, like a blue based red or a pink based red. This is like a more rusty red. It's not even like completely orange based red or a warm red. It's more like a sort of like a rusty red. Okay, so I just realized that I've said rusty red many times. I'm gonna stop there. I hope you got the point. But this is going to suit all skin tones. It's going to look very beautiful on all skin tones. It looks really pretty on me. The only thing is I don't really like warm lipsticks, like any warm toned lipsticks. That's the only reason that I might not wear it as much. But it looks stunning. You can see how pretty it looks. It looks really pretty. So yeah, this was the shade Paint the Town. Alright, so that was it for the swatches, you guys. Now for the review. So these lipsticks, they say are multitasking, so you can use them as a blush, you can use them as an eyeshadow. They say that they don't have any synthetic fragrance. They have zero sulfates, they are vegan, cruelty free, and they are basically something that you can sleep in. Although I do not recommend sleeping with lipstick on or any kind of makeup on, but they say that you can obviously sleep in it. Also these lipsticks, they retail for 550 rupees each. Other things that I like is that obviously that they have really beautiful colors, like except for the first one that I swatched. I think rest of them will work on all complexions. The only thing is that certain shades require lip liner. Another thing that that I like is that they're very light on the lips. Now coming to the cons, the only con that I feel is that they can be a little bit drying, so I would recommend you all to, you know, like moisturize your lips, like apply a lip balm underneath. That's the only thing that I find that's a bit of a con with these lipsticks, but apart from that, I'm really happy with this lipstick, especially this shade which is called Make a Splash, I believe. This one is really pretty. So that was it for my video, you guys, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.